I'm here in Animal Kingdom and the tree is up. So my goal today is to see DeVine. So I've talked about how different parks make me feel. Like Magic Kingdom, it's emotional and happy and nostalgic. Hollywood Studios is kind of more of a fun, energized vibe. Epcot, hungry? I don't know. But the way the Animal Kingdom makes me feel is relaxed. I mean, this is just a beautiful park. After many times of looking, I finally got to see DeVine. So excited. Now, check out this view. Now I'm gonna head to the Nomad Lounge, get my name on the wait list. Hopefully it's not full already. Nomad Lounge has churros I dream of. Literally. Best churros ever. Right beside Tiffin's, you will find the Nomad Lounge. This is where the very best churros are. Typically I sit outside of the Nomad Lounge, but right now they had inside bar top seating available and I am starving, so I'll just go with this for now. So excited. Put in an order. I got some chicken off the kids meal with a side of rice and mac and cheese, double party, and churros. No thank you. So I just learned from the bartender that Nomad Lounge is now opening a little bit earlier. They have a soft opening that's not advertised at 10:15. Also, I saw a drink that had this glowing flower I really wanted, so I asked him if I could get anything non-alcoholic with that flower, and he said you can add it to any drink. It's $4. So I'm going to be getting this strawberry Sprite with the glowing flower. The drink is amazing, very sweet. There's strawberry syrup and Sprite. I got the teriyaki glazed chicken, the white mac and cheese, the rice, and then of course the churros. These churros. I've been craving them for over a year. Teriyaki chicken is super tender, amazing. Honestly, probably the best chicken I've ever had. I mean, best grilled chicken I've ever had. Chef Art Smith fried chicken still, but the mac and cheese is great, very cheesy, good. Rice is, I mean, it's rice. And the churros, soft, warm, wonderful. That was amazing. So my entree, the kids' meal entree, was only $15. And the churros were $10. So I mean, it's not that expensive for Disney prices. I mean, it was plenty portion for me to eat. So very happy, full. I have 2 churros in my bag. Gonna try to take one home to Brandon. And maybe I'll have the other one at home with them, is the goal if they make it that far. Full belly, completely relaxed. And now let's watch It's Tough to Be a Bug. The show is going to be going away. Don't know when, but they announced it at the D23 Expo. So yeah, catch it before it goes. I'm most definitely going to regret this, but I think I'm going to do the Cali River Rapids. I'm thinking. It's only a 5-minute wait. I mean, Yeah. Look at the gibbons. This ride is supposed to have been one of Michael Jackson's favorite rides, and there is a picture in the queue that is supposedly a representation of him. That's the picture I was talking about. The guy in the red jacket is supposed to be Michael Jackson. Alright, that was fun. I'm glad I read it now. Kevin! I just learned that Chip and Dale are dressed in dino outfits because they weren't invited to the Dino Bash. So they are in disguise. And they are pretty mad at Donald for not inviting them.
I know. Right?
Who wouldn't?
Who wouldn't want to invite them?
Exactly. They're the life of the party. Alright, friends, we saw them here.
She dressed like Kevin and she's waiting to see Kevin. Time to ride dinosaur. Warning, the next portion of this video has flashing lights. Dinosaur is always a great time. I did have to use some old footage because for some reason the ride seemed darker than usual and all my footage came out really dark, but it still was a great time. Now I'm here to watch Feathered Friends in flight. Hi guys, this is Tiffany. I did not record an end to my video because of this. Yes, this was the day that my vacation ended, and this is the face I make when I leave Walt Disney World. But today was an awesome day at the Animal Kingdom. We got to see some awesome cast members, some great characters. I got to eat one of my favorite desserts in all of Walt Disney World, those Nomad Lounge churros. I got to hang out with my Disney bestie. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like it and subscribe to my channel. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. On the right side, I'm going to link some of my other videos, so make sure that you check them out. And comment below and say hi. I would love to hear from you. Have a magical day.